Let's kick things off with some 3D animation. Now let's switch it up with live-action footage. And what if we blend them together? Wow, this AI is blowing me away with its ability to create stunning visuals with such speed and accuracy. You can also compare it with the damn Sora AI, which is not even released yet. As I'm filming this right now, this AI is completely free, insanely fast compared to other tools out there, and the quality is mind-blowing. And the fun part is, you can generate videos without sign-up or login. Just take a look at these incredible examples. It's no surprise this revolutionary tech is coming from China. This AI doesn't just spit out videos, it's a multi-talented powerhouse that also composes music, writes text, and can even analyze and reimagine images. China's AI game is really leveling up, and I'm sure we're about to see some groundbreaking advancements in the near future. Now, let's jump right in and give this AI a test drive with a few creative prompts. If AI and content creation are your jam, make sure to check out more videos on our channel. And hey, if you're liking what you're seeing, a like and a subscribe would mean the world to us. To get started, just search for Hailuo AI it on Google. The site is all in Chinese, but don't worry, Google Translate is here. This will convert Chinese language into English. Once you're on the home page, you can ask the AI just about anything, but we're going to focus on its core features today. You've got one section for producing music, another for describing and interpreting images, and a third that generates text on pretty much any topic you can think of. But the real headliner for us is the video production tool. You'll find a bunch of sample videos to explore. And trust me, the quality will blow your mind. Creating videos on this platform is not only fast, but the results are top-notch. Let's start with a text prompt to see what it can do. Wow, it nailed it. The quality, the environment, the characters, and colors all came out just how I imagined. Let's push it a bit further and try one of the sample videos. This one looks interesting. Now keep in mind, the original prompt was in Chinese, so the language might shift, but wow, it's even better than I expected. This AI's speed in creating videos is just unreal. It's still a bit under the radar right now, so performance is smooth, but I imagine as more people discover it, that could change. It's handling everything like a pro, something a lot of other AI tools struggle with. Finally, let's try a 3D animation in that classic Pixar style. I'm genuinely amazed. You've got to check this out for yourself and see just how impressive and fun this AI can be. Follow and subscribe for more informative videos.